We are given that f at 0 equals to 2024 and f at n plus 1 equals to 1 plus f at n all over 1 minus f at n. And we are asked to find f at 2023. So I will firstly find the first few terms. So firstly, I'll start by subbing in n equals to 0 here, there, and there. Why am I using 0? Because that is what I'm given. Okay, so I'll say f at 0 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus f at 0, then 1 minus f at 0. And we can agree, ladies and gentlemen, that is 0 plus 1 is the same as basically finding f at 1. And then let's now substitute. We have 1 plus f at 0 we know is 2024 all over 1 minus 2024. Right, and then pressing that on your calculator will give you negative 2025 all over 2023. That was for f at 1, right? And then continuing with the same pattern, I can easily get f at 2 by doing f at 1 plus 1. And then that will be 1 plus f at 1 over 1 minus f at 1, right? And then remember, your calculator has the answer of f at 1. So to be efficient with this, you can just do this. On your calculator, you're going to press 1 plus ans for f at 1 all over 1 minus ans, to avoid retyping it and over again. And pressing that will give you, if you say 1 plus ans minus, over 1 minus ans, it's going to give you negative 1 over 2024, and that is f at 2. Now your ans is f at 2 on your calculator, so you can easily get f at 3. F at 3, if you check, is going to be 1 plus f at 2 over 1 minus f at 2. And remember, now your answer is f at 2, right, on the calculator. So if you press equal sign, it's going to give you f at 3, which is 23 all over 2025. Okay, perfect. And then let's get f at 4. F at 4, we just press I equals to on the calculator because our previous answer is saved. So f at 4 will be 2024. Now I need you to observe something, ladies and gents. We started at f at 0, which is 2024. And then f at 4 takes us back there, you see? So we can conclude that if you press f at 5, for example, if you say f at 5 on your calculator, remember you just say 1 plus ans over 1 minus ans. F at 5 is going to give you negative 2025 over 2023, which indeed is f at 1. Do you see it? If you check f at 1 and f at 5 are the same. So my point is, ladies and gents, that this pattern here is going to be repeating in periods of 4, because you see we went 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 we repeat, you see. So we repeating in cycles of 4, or it's periodic every fourth multiple. After every fourth multiple, we're starting afresh. So now that will help us, right? We're looking for f at 23. This will be the same. I'm going to break it into a multiple of 4 and something, because I know we're periodic in multiples of 4. So this is the same as 2020 plus 20 plus 3, right? So I just broke 2023 into 2020 plus 3. Okay, so now we can see that 2020, remember it's a multiple of 4. It's like f at 0 basically, right? It's like f at 0, ne? So basically here it's like we just have f at 3. You see it? Because 2020 is like f at 0 plus 3. You see it? Perfect. And then this is just f at 3. And we know that f at 3 we have found it to be 2023 over 2025. 2023 over 2025. And that is our final answer, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Tango.